Welcome to my Wantable box for the month of January. Actually, I get this every 3 months, so I probably won't see it again for another 3 months. But this is a lot of items. They send you 7, and if you keep 5 or more, you get an additional, I think it's a 20% discount. I'll have to double check that. Like I said, I haven't received one in a while. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to an unboxing and a try-on of Wantable. These look really nice actually, except one item. I'm not sure. We'll see. I don't even know if I'll try it on, and I'll show it to you. And you guys who have followed me will understand why. Okay, with Wantable, if you're new, yeah, this dress is from my trend scent. I just filmed it, so I thought I'd just leave it on. It just keeps going down and down. Okay, anyways, with Wantable, the styling fee is $20, and they give you a list of everything that's in your box, and apparently I requested a pair of jeans that I'm really surprised I requested them, because you can go in and you can request or decline like on their whole feed. You just keep looking at item after item if there's things that you definitely know you will never want or things that you might like to have in your box. So it looks like there's one item, and here's the envelope to return anything that doesn't work out, and you have a choice. You can send it through the post office, or there's another label on the back that you can take it to the UPS store, which is nice. So let's just do a really quick look at these. This is the one item that I'm pretty sure I'm not even going to try on. And I know a lot of you are going to be upset about that, but these are, I might not even get these on actually. Well, yeah, I probably could. They are a knit, like a sweater. Look at this. This is a heavy sweater. At first, when it came out of the box, I was like, ooh, I thought it was a cardigan. Look at the legs. This is definitely not anything that I would ever wear because it's not my style at all. Not at all. I mean, there's no lining. So it's going to show every lump and bump. No. Maybe I'll try them on. Maybe I won't. We'll see. Probably not. If you guys are interested in them, I'll give you the information. You can Google it and you can order them in your own box. Oh, goodness. Okay, these are the jeans apparently that I requested. They're by Flying Monkey. I like Flying Monkey jeans. They're a lighter wash. I think they're a mid-rise. I must not have knew they were mid-rise when I clicked that I would like to have them. I like the leg on them. Well, these are straight leg. Maybe that's why. I think they're a straight leg. So, and the price is usually reasonable on these in comparison to jeans, for jeans. So we'll see how that works out. I keep feeling like I'm exposed. Okay, this is nice. Nice sweater. Pretty color. Balloon sleeve, which I like. Possibility, depending on the price. This is, after having a heavy sweater, this is really lightweight. What is this? Feels like just a plain old, guess it's a lightweight sweater. Looks like it's got a little detail up here, which is kind of cute. But it's just a plain old neck. I don't know, we'll see. Light sweater. This is pretty. It's got the V. This is lighter. It's kind of like a medium. So it's a V in the front and the back. Pretty color, blue. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. Oh, it's a cow neck. Is that what that is? Yep, here's the front. That's really cute. Excited about that. Oh, that's really pretty. Looks boxy. And then the last item, what is this? Oh, it's a hoodie. Yeah, that's nice. It's got a hood. Looks like it's going to be pretty tight up by the neck, but who knows till you get it on. It's just like a beigey color. Looks like a dolman. So never know till you try them on. So let's get to the try on. Okay, this is pretty cute. This top is by RD Style. It's the Camo Turtleneck Soft Smoke. I'm wearing a size small. This is really, really cute. It's a little boxy, but I think it's really nice. I like the turtleneck on it here. It's really comfortable. It's a little short, but I think it's gonna be fine. Yeah, I like it a lot. What do you guys think? This is so pretty. Look at this. Love the color. Love it. And the print's nice. I don't know. I kind of like it. Okay, but it's $79. Yikes. Yeah, $79. That seems a little high to me, but I really, really like it. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of it. So this is a possible keeper. Crap. My phone is dying, I think. 20%. Okay, now let's talk about these jeans. These jeans are by Flying Monkey. They are the mid-rise cupped slim. I am wearing a size 29. They're $78. They feel really nice. There's some stretch in them. I like the color. They're high rise on me. I'm 5'4", but this is more of a high rise. The wash on them is nice. I like the cuff. It does roll down. It's unfinished hem. They're very comfortable. Got the pocket. Oh wait, yeah. Pockets in the back, pockets in the front. These are pretty comfortable. $78. That seems high for Flying Monkey, but you know, if you like them and they fit, I don't know, I really like them. Looks like they're darker in the back than in the front. I like them. We're off to a good start. Let's see what's next. This sweater is by LUSH. It feels really nice. It's $68. It's more of like a cream color, balloon sleeves. The neck is a little high and the sleeves are a little short. I keep wanting to pull this down and they keep, like this really rides up. So, but it's really pretty. Look at the pretty color. The sleeve's just too short. Yeah, that's too short. And it's a little tight around the neck. I was really excited when I put this on. The length is really nice. It could be a really cute sweat. Yeah, these sleeves will drive me crazy, how short they are. Well, darn. Otherwise, this could have been a keeper. On to the next one. Okay, this is by WANTABLE. It's $59. It seems like the V kind of is going over. I keep trying to put it in the center. It's a pretty big V. It looks like, you know, it's more of a tunic, I guess. It's pretty long. And the V-neck in the back. Is not comfortable. It's just something about it just doesn't feel right. I don't know if it's the length of the sweater. It's nice and soft. It's very soft. Beautiful color. These sleeves are nice and long. I don't know. I think if this wasn't so long, see how this keeps going over that way? Yeah, there's some kind of stitching problem, I think, with this. It's not staying in the center. Keeps wanting to go over to the side. Okay, so this one's a no. See what's next. Okay, this top is by WANTABLE and it is $59. It feels really nice. It's very soft, black. It's really soft. It's got a little detail right here in the front and in the back. It's like a sweater material. I don't know, it's nice. It's almost like it should be a cotton layering piece, So for $59, I really don't need this. I mean, it's nice, but I don't know. It's just not, it doesn't wow me. So this is a no. I think we have one more item. It's got the hood. This is by Gentle Farm, and it is $69. Obviously, it has a hood. I'll give you the color close up. All right, I have to tell you about this one. The hood is heavy. Like, it keeps pulling like this up against my neck. It is really heavy. So I don't know, I guess you guys can tell I am not excited about this. Dolman sleeves. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, no, this is going to be a no. All right, let's do a real quick review, but let me tell you about these knit pants. Okay, these knit pants, I tried to put them on. They're $78. $78. There is no way that I can get these on that where they would look nice. I mean, no. There's definitely a no. I don't understand them, but that's just me. Okay, so that's no surprise. This camo turtleneck, I'm going to think about this. I like it a lot. My husband likes it, but I need to look for the care instructions because I couldn't read the label. So I'm going to have to take a photo of it and enlarge it so I can figure out how this is going to be washed. And if it works out for me, then I'll keep it because it is a little pricey. Let's see, the black tee. I noticed that when I went to take it off, the left arm was a little longer than the right. Yeah. And for the price, I don't need it. It's nice, but no. Let's see, this top. Oh, the V kept sliding to the side. So no, and it's too long. So that's a no. Okay, the sleeves on this one are too short. So this is a no. This is a no because the hood is heavy and it pulls it back. I'm thinking about keeping these jeans. Yeah, my husband likes them. And he said, oh, those jeans look nice. And I said, oh, trying them on from the box from WANTABLE. So that's it. So maybe the camo sweater, depending on the care instructions, and the jeans. I don't know. I say that's a win of a box. If you keep at least one item for me is a win. So that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.